here at Miniso buying stuff for my staff. Si Dr. Bon and si Mira. And that's what we have decided to give them. Yan. Pero actually marami pang stuff toys sa choices. Pwede lang silang iuwi lahat. So there's so many stuff here. Ang cute. Dapat bumili ako niyan bilang isang mainitin na tao. Pero parang hindi yan kakayanin. Ito yung ibang choices. Ako nga naman dito sa Miniso. So, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Ayan pa. Daming plushies. Anyway, yan lang. Nakamaan fish. Sa dami ng gustong bilhin.
What's your order?
We are here at Coffee Bean. And instead of having lunch, we're going to have our coffee here at Coffee Bean in Pisa. So I'm with si Bella. And we just ordered salad and pasta and iced coffees. And of course, we ordered for sausage roll and I think I ordered pan al chocolate for dessert. So parang nag-lunch din. Serious yung kasama ko, ayaw ko intindihan. Ako serious. Yeah. Oh, nag-vlog. Ay, ba't kayo sama ko today. Say hi to the vlog. This is the Chinese chicken salad, Bella. I ordered almond donut instead of a pan-out chocolate. And then si Bella ordered for bolognese with ano to, linguine bolognese, no? And then sausage. And then she ordered iced chai tea latte, subsoy. And I ordered for mocha ice blended coffee. Subsoy din, but I ordered for large. Yata niya na rin, regular lang. I have to check my receipt if it's the same size.
You can get for me, I can't finish this.
Sige, ito din. Ito siya. Plate? I hadn't replaced my drink because they served me a regular size instead of a large one. At wala na ako. This is Chinese chicken salad. Which I used to order way back when I was still in Trafalgar Plaza. Ito yung chicken. Ibang quality. Ano ito? Should I wait for my drink? Wala na sila mga ano sila mga siya, no? Pero itong dito, ubus nito lahat.
Okay na po yun, ma'am.
Yes po, opo.
Yung mocha large.
Dami na akong straw, salamat. Okay na.
Ay, okay na, ma'am. Kunin ka na lang. Okay, ma'am.
So, ganyan kalaki dapat ito natin. Yeah. Sorry naman ito eh. I think I will be fine. Bilang lactose intolerant. Sarap. It's like drinking ice cream. Why did you have to use this actually? Also already. So, lalabas na magtutulong ka ng tayo. Doing errands, and I think Estancia is a place where you can do everything in just one room, you know? So I had to buy from Watson's, had to buy pearl earrings because I lost my phone the other day. Bought my medicine, bought toilet paper. So we're also planning to buy an electric fan, but baka sa Unimart na lang, which is just a few blocks away from this action. Grabe. Napakakakapos na. Kaya mo na ito yung take that out. Dami aso. Meet and greet mo ito na. Meet and greet with other asos. Baka ito na ulit. We're here at Unimart. We're buying groceries again. I have a list here of all the things that we need, and then afterwards, need to buy an electric fan. Yan. Focus.
The big one?
Yeah.
Only
Hello
one?
po. Ay, sir, nasa labas ako. Delivery po ng ano yan? Opo, doorbell na lang kayo. Nasa labas po ako. Salamat po.
Oh, dumating na yung panlinis ko ng car. Ganun pa man pinaka-wash.
Masaya. Tapos may tatawag na naman nagpa-deliver. Delivery. Saan ang kitchen towel dito? Wala dyan. Wala dyan. The kitchen towel's not there?
I think it's in there.
These are all the plastics.
The Tulo.
Plastic for cash.
The laundry room is long. I think it's there.
Yeah, we need Splenda. We need Splenda and it's here at lane 15. Si Bella na papakuhain natin kasi mataas siya. Wow, dami. Limited. Okay, next. We're going to get this twin pack. It's the regular size. There's a jumbo one, but I don't think it will fit in our dispenser. So, yan. Yan, meron tayong pwede dito. Pagkain ni Bella. Joke. Pagkain ni Scotty. Sinama niya sa Joy. Yeah. Ano ba yan? That's the air dehumidifier, right?
Yeah, parang hindi kulob sa loob.
Okay. Kulob sa loob ng sasakyan?
Yeah.
The chocolate section and the tea section. At bilang mahilig sa tea, I'm sure malalagasan na naman ako ng pang-tea nito. You just bought a tea. Stop getting. Si Tita Teens also brought you some tea. And
I need the black one.
you won't drink that, so I'll drink that.
No, I'll drink it at night. Pero in the morning, I need the coffee.
Tignan mo, there's such a thing as tea pigs. What are those? That's also tea?
Yeah.
Ah, but these are tea bags, right? We ran out of coffee, so that's our coffee. Escoffee Gold Intensity 5. And that's what we need. We need vegetables for the kare-kare. But I'm gonna get... Is this zucchini? No, mahal. That's good. French beans. Ah, iba naman. There's no cucumber.
143.
Ah, there's dito. Ano, ayoko ng ganyan. Parang wala na akong makakain. So, this is French beans. Iisa ko lang. And what else? Cucumber. We need some cucumber for baliktad. For the juicer. We need 2. Para magko-cucumber juice ako. At saka carrot juice. Carrot juice. Is this 100? 129 for 2 pieces of carrots. Must be kidding
Meron
me.
yung batabadan sa ilalim, 67.
And this is... How much is this? 140. Nakabalat na. Ito na lang. At least hindi na ako magbabalat. Ano pa? Ah, gusto ko to. I like this one. This masarap. We also like this one. Do you still have to boil this one? Yung bibili natin talaga is wala. Asan na yun? Pechay. We need pechay and talong. That's not pechay, anak. Pechay Baguio yan.
Oh, still pecha. You're still correct.
Pechay Baguio.
Do you need
Pechay na
lemon?
pechay. Wala ba dun? Sa unahan?
No. Do you need lemon?
Hindi, there's cabbage. Ayun, anak ko. Kunin mo na. Talong. Hindi ka na magkakamali sa talong. Let's buy sitaw also. Talong. Sitaw. Ano, how much is the shiitake mushrooms? For breakfast, maiba naman. And or that too. The huge, there on top. That's shiitake.
100.
Dahil pecha. Yan, magkano yan?
121.
Yan. And there's another mushroom there. Second floor. Get me one, please. Not that one. The long one. Yan. Very good. Halika na. Bisan mo. Pechay pa. Yan. Ayun ang pechay. Yun. Yak, pechay. So, malapit ang mapunuan. It's taking so long just to get a pechay. Alam mo, gusto ko din ng kamatis. Hilaw na kamatis yan. How much is it?
Tilaw? You want the tilaw?
Yeah.
121.
Sige na, wala na tayong iba. Yan o, pakbet o. Pili tayo niyan o. Very gulay. And maganda yung silalagyan mo lang bagoong. Gigisa, bagoong. Isa lang, anak. Yeah, thank you. Let's eat out of syrup. There is the, there is the sugar-free type. There is the sugar-free, diba? The pancake syrup there. Not sure if this is it.
Cinnamon, maple, original.
Oh, we just need this one. Can you see? Siyempre, kailangan ko ng aking...
That's original.
This is Clara ulit. Wala ba yung sugar-free? Saan nakakita na syrup na sugar?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Baka sa healthy options.
No, there is eh. But we're buying this na. So hard to... Meron tayong ganyan. The unfavored. This is our final grocery. Oh. Sabihin pang naglista, ang daming wala sa listahan. Vegetables and of course may bibilin pa ako sa labas. I need a kopya and a langgonisang vegan. Ganda ng vibe dito sa estancia. So if for example you get a condominium near here, di ka na kailangan magpalengke or di ka na kailangan mag-grocery. Just eat out. I think mas mura pa rin. Kasi pagod ka na pag magluto ka. And then maghihiwa ka pa, magluluto ka pa. Although mas mura, it would be cost effective pag marami kang kakain. Pero pag mag-isa ka lang, parang all the effort of preparation, you'll end up just buying your food, right? And I know, hindi ka naman kumakain. So most of the time, nasa Starbucks ka lang. So we're leaving Estancia and we're going to Unimart because andun yung grocery namin. It's Coffee Bean, Florabel. Ganda ng mga restaurants here. I have eaten at Florabel. Not yet. Being able to get our card. Ganyan ka-traffic on a Saturday. Is this traffic because it's a Saturday? Or is it because traffic talaga dito?
There's a stop letter there.
So everything's here na. There's Santis, there's Starbucks, there's Watson's, there's SM. We weren't able to buy a electric fan at SM. So we also tried to visit True Value. Wala din. So we'll just buy from SM in Mega Mall na lang. Kasi I want the bigger fans, not the small ones, which gets easily sira. Dito mas matagal kasi pagka yung malalaking fans. We originally wanted to buy a Hanabishi electric fan na medyo malaki para malakas yung hangin. but I think they ran out of the black fans. The only ones left are the white ones. So yeah, we're going to go to Unimart to get our stuff and then go home na. Probably I can go to SM to buy the fan tomorrow and get some of the stuff that I had altered. Yung mga shirts ko from the office, I had it altered because I requested for bigger sizes. When you get bigger sizes, you also get a longer shirt, so I had it altered. Pinaiksian ko para mas maganda yung fit. So yeah. Oh, Poco Deli. We haven't even tried Poco Deli. Isabella Dero. Masarap dyan yung mga slab of bacon nila, diba? Just ate that before. So parking again. But we're going to park because we have several grocery bags to put at the back of the car. And if you're waiting, minsan hassle. Parang nagmamadali. Really ang kasama ko si Bella. So para maayos ang paglagay ng grocery bag sa likuran, magpapark kami ulit. Ang mura lang yung parking fee dito sa estancia, anak, napansin ko, 50 pesos lang. And we've been here for how many hours already? So the first 3 hours is 50. 50 lang binayad namin. Yung iba kasi 50. 50 ba? First 4 hours? Oh, yung iba first 3 hours eh. So dito, sabi ko nga, ay, 50 lang binayaran. This is the home of Isabella. She wants to study. She goes here. So, okay na siya ng Starbucks. Do you really wanna go home na? Bella? Hero? If that's...
Do you want there?
Yeah, if that's near. If that's near, I'm not sure.
It's far.
Kaya siguro nobody's parking. Asan ba yung ano?
Ganito sa Quora.
Okay. So, madilim. Kasi yung car tinted, kaya mukhang madilim. So, hindi ko dala yung gimbal. Kaya, the footage is very shaky. So, we're back to where we came from. So, dito na tayo. I decided now. Here now, we're parking here. Going back to the car. Here pala, if you have a minimum purchase of 2,000, your parking is free! Yay!
Thank you.
Since we exceeded the 2,000, we didn't pay anything for parking. So, okay na din, we transferred here to park and get our grocery. And going home na. See you later when I do a haul. We'll make a haul of all the things that we bought. So ito, Orita. We buy our toilet paper from Watson's. Kasi yung Orita, even if it's just 2-ply, pag mabasa siya, hindi siya nadudurog. Unlike ibang brands. So, itong brand na to, even if it's wet, hindi siya nadudurog. And then, we bought carrots. Ang mahal ng carrots, nasa 140 pesos. Yan, balat na. And then, we bought cucumbers at 92 pesos and at 100.55 pesos. So, gagawin natin yung juice. Ito rin, orange at 276.75. And then kiwi, this is at 168 pesos. 4 na piraso. We also bought young corn at 150 and 65, 100 pesos and 65 centavos. And then we also bought apples. Ang mahal na, no? Ang mahal. As in 180 and 60 centavos. 180 and 60 centavos for 6 apples. So I want to buy at Unimart because marami akong nabibili. Stuff that I like. For example, mga bawal na chicharon. This is back fat. Hinahalo namin yan sa munggo. If we're making munggo. And then, sa Unimart din ako nakakabili ng longganisa. Vegan. May nagbibenta din ng lukban pero mas masarap yung vegan. And then, we also bought stuff for the house. Washing soap. And then, kitchen towels. And then, we also bought, ano ba to? English breakfast, Tinibella. And then, coffee. Ito ang kape dito, Intensity 5. Nescafe Gold. And then, Splenda for me. And for the others. Syrup. For some of the yogurt. Dessert that I make. Maling for Bella. So healthy ka. And then I bought toothbrush. And Bella bought Tasty Bites for Cathy. What else? Oh, unti-unti na tinanggal ni Bella ang kanyang mga horns. This is a scrub mommy. So I also lost my pearl earring in the office. So I bought freshwater pearls from SM. Siguro ito's priced at 800 eh, pero sabi na there's a discount, so 699 na lang. And binigyan niya akong free na pangsara. Sinuot ko na kasi kaagad. Hindi ako sanay. What else? So that from SM. I also bought two bells. What are these? I take out. This is I take out from Coffee Bean. I bought plushies for our doctors and medical coordinators who resigned and who's leaving us by September 2. And they rendered naman 30 days. This is for Dr. Bon. And then this is for Mira. Cute! I bought it from Miniso. I also saw this keychain flashlight from Miniso. The only reason why I went to Miniso is to buy razors for the eyebrows. This is my favorite. It's Munggo na kopya from Poland. Ayan. I bought 3. We bought a lot of gulay because we needed pedsay for the kare-kare. We also bought mushrooms for breakfast. French beans. Sarap yung gisahin. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake is at 121 pesos. Diba? This one naman, these are the Chinese king oyster mushrooms. This 130 pesos and 80 centavos. Sarap to. And I also like this one. Sweet peas. It's at 65 pesos and 50 centavos. And also bought tomatoes. Yung hindi pa masyadong Inog. This is 121 pesos. Eggplant, also for kare-kare, 5 cents. Mas mura sa market, kaso toxic kasi to go to the market. Yung calamansi is at 34 pesos and 80 centavos. This is around 2 grams. And then we have sitaw at 40 pesos. Samantalang pag sa palengke, siguro isang ganito, it's only 10 pesos. And then we bought this one. Pampakbet. Mix na siya at 99 pesos. You only have to put in yung ano, you can also put the chicharon here, yung back fat. Here, when you saute this one, you add the back fat and bagoong or the fish paste. And then, these are some of the stuff that we did not finish. This is the sausage roll and the almond donuts. Let's take out. And then we also have the bolognese pasta. And the salad. Here, this is the salad. We're not able to finish it as well. And then, I also bought ensaymada. So, this is the ensaymada from Mary Grace. I'm going to give it to my sister who's in Abu Dhabi. Her husband is coming here tonight to pick this up. So, yan, Tina, this is for you. Mary Grace ensaymada. I bought 12 pieces. Yan. This is sick. There's another box here. Yeah. So, that's it. That's my haul. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlogs. Bye!